Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. I am super excited about today. Today I am collaborating with Maskara Cakes. I freaking love her, you guys. I love her no BS attitude about things. I love everything about her channel. She cracks me up. She loves glitter as much as I do. I mean, I love it. She is so much fun, and I am so glad to have found her channel and all of that, because I don't know that I would have found her channel had she not commented on the asking people if they wanted to do a face-off collab with me. Like, I have no idea how I would have found her channel, and I absolutely freaking love her channel. I love how opinionated she is. I love that she doesn't like some of the same brands I don't like. I just all around find her very enjoyable. So we are doing a face-off challenge, and we are using the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. If you guys do not know what face-off is where we use the same palette and the same shades in the palette to create two different looks. I create a look, she'll create a look type of a thing. And just to kind of see where our minds go when we have these colors. Now, let me tell you, her and we got some interesting shades. Now, at first, you're going to be like, oh, okay, those will work together. Oh, but there's one shade that just kind of throws a wrench in the whole plan. So, we have the shade Solstice. We have Wicked, we have Electric, we have Palooza, and then we have Hipster. Now, I've been kind of thinking since we picked the shades and things what I wanted to do, and I still have no idea. So we're going to go in and we're going to see what happens, because I have no idea what I'm going to do with this look. I have no idea how I'm going to make that brown shade kind of mold together with the others. We're just going to play. Oh, and before I get into the look, Annette, I'm not showing you what the look is in the intro. That's for you. Oh gosh, sorry. We also are able to use glitter if we would like. We talked about using glitter. She got some glitter from iMats. We both love glitter. Glitter is life, so I might throw some glitter in this look. I might not. I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. So, we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump right into the look. Okay, so you guys already know what shades we're going to use, and just to intensify everything, I'm going to go in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I mean, this is becoming a mini pencil. I'm going to have to buy another one. I might buy one before the new year just so I don't run out of it with what I have planned for January, because that would be bad. So I'm just going to put this all over my eye. Okay, since that is just messily applied to my face, I'm going to go in with the shade Palooza. And we're going to take this on a Glamour Dolls Eye blending brush here. And I'm just going to work this onto my crease and above. Okay, now that I look like Mimi from the Drew Carey Show, we're going to actually take the shade Electric, and I'm just going to go on to this Elizabeth Mott blending brush here. And I'm just going to lightly blend out the edges. Kind of give it a kind of blue-purple gradient. And taking that shadow, like, basically to my brow bone. But just kind of blending everything out. Okay, and this is where things are going to get a little bit interesting. This is the Luxie Mini Flat Angled Brush. I'm going to take this, and I'm actually going to take Hipster. We're going to use this how I would any shade to kind of deepen the outer edge, but I think, now that I think about it, I think I want to do a halo eye. So scratch what I said before, we're doing a halo eye now. So I'm taking this, and we're just going to pack it on. I mean, it's going to be an interesting kind of look here in a minute. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with that same brush that had the blue shade Palooza on it, and I'm just going to kind of lightly blend out the brown. The anticipation killing you? Because it's killing me! Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm going to take a little bit, oh, I still have that brush, the brown, and I'm just going to put it here. It is probably, well, it's definitely going to muddy up that blue just a little bit, but if we need to, we'll put more on it to make it a little more vibrant. So we're just going to kind of, I'm going to take a little bit of Palooza on my brush. So I mean, brown and blue aren't going to necessarily blend together nicely, so we'll see how this goes. I want to take a clean blending brush. We're going to take this C441 Pro Blending Crease Brush from Crown. I'm just going to kind of lightly blend. I mean, it's a very interesting look, I'll give it that. I thought about just kind of putting the brown on my lower lash line and calling it good, but then I was like, no, let's use it like you would any shade to do a halo eye, Danielle, because, you know, in the moment it seemed like a good idea. Who knows, maybe this will turn out. Maybe I'll just throw a bunch of glitter on top of it and we'll be okay. I mean, it's not like A+ work. Like right now I'll give myself a C, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so this is going to definitely be the interesting part because I'm just going to go back in with this brush and I'm just going to lightly deepen up that brown. So I don't want to add anything else to my brush here. At least it kind of went to kind of a little bit of a green where that blue is, instead of it just being like anything else. I'm gonna blend this out a little bit more. I'm gonna take this kind of flat shader brush here, and I'm going to go into the shade Solstice, and I'm going to run that right in the center of the halo eye, and then I think I'm going to, might need to wet my brush. You know what? I'm gonna wet my brush. Probably doesn't help if I hold a mirror in front of my face. So good at that lately. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take, again, that same brush that we had the brown on. This is the Luxie Mini Flat Angled Brush. And I'm just going to kind of lightly blend the Solstice shade and the Hipster shade together, just so that it's not like super harsh. Okay, now I want to try something else. I want to take this Wicked shade and see if I can't pop that like right in the center of the halo eye, just to give it a little more of an effect and to kind of bring in some of the other shades from the crease. Again, I'm not trying to block you guys with the mirror, so I'm going to come up here. I mean, it's interesting. I don't know if I like it, but I'm going to work with it. Okay, then I'm going to go back in with the same brush that had Solstice on it and just lightly blend that together. So quickly, I'm going to pop off camera and I'm going to do my base makeup as well as my liner and put on some mascara, and then we'll come back and do the lower lash line and my lips. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do the lower lash line, my inner corner, all the fun stuff that I haven't done yet. Everything I did use, including the highlighter that makes me look like a glazed donut, will be listed down below so you guys know what I used on my face. So let's go ahead and let's do the lower lash line. Drum roll, please. What am I going to use? I don't think this should come as a shock to anyone, but we're going in with the Kokie Professionals Velvet Smooth Eyeliner in Bright Blue because it is a favorite of mine. I'm going to put that right in the waterline. And then we're going to take the shade Palooza and Electric, and we're actually going to make it kind of that purpley gradient that's on the top. So I'm going to go in first. Where did my brush go? I'm going to go in first with this kind of pencil brush. I'm going to go in with Palooza. Just going to run that. Okay, so now I'm going to take this brush, which is just an e.l.f. crease brush. This is one of their dollar brushes, and I'm going to go in with Electric. And I'm just going to run that over the top of Palooza. So now, because we said we could add glitter, I'm going to go in with the NYX Glitter Primer. Gonna place a little bit on the back of my hand. This thing's almost empty, so I'm trying to get all the use out of it that I can. Then I'm gonna go in with this little e.l.f. concealer brush. Oh, before I do that, let's tell you about the glitter we're going to use. Nope, not that one. So we're gonna go into this DKB glitter. Hold on, I will show you. We're going to go into this DKB glitter called Jasmine. And I'm actually going to be placing this in the inner corner of my eye. This is one of my favorite glitters from DKB Glitter. They do press glitters. They also do glitter liners, which I'm definitely going to have to try at some point. But I feel like I'm going to probably buy more press glitters from them soon. So we're going to go in with the same brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of Jasmine. We're going to place it everywhere we put the glitter glue. Now, if you're not comfortable, and I completely understand putting glitter anywhere near this close to your eye, don't feel obligated to do it at all, ever. Because I understand people's hesitation towards this. I really, really do. And I'm going to take it up a little bit because we're going to go glitter crazy. And no, it's not going to quite blend in, but that's fine. Just make it glittery. I don't know. I'm somebody who could put glitter everywhere on my face and be okay with it. I mean, it might not be socially acceptable, but who cares? It would be beautiful. That's all I have to say is it would be beautiful. Ooh, I like the glitter. This eye look is really starting to kind of be like, ooh, I like it, which it was not that way in the beginning. I think everything's kind of coming together now. So we're going to go into the shade Wicked, and I'm actually going to use that very lightly as my brow bone highlight. Because I don't... Okay. Screw lightly. It's just going on full force. I actually kind of really like it. It's enhancing that kind of purple shade. Okay, and for a lip, I kept like going between 3 different ones, so I'm not sure what we're going to end up with. I'm going to quickly try a couple, and then I will let you know. Okay, so this actually kind of surprised me. The lip we're going to go in with is from ColourPop. It is their Ultra Satin in Mess Around. And there is the final look with the lip. I actually really like the lip and the eye look kind of paired together. You guys will have to let me know what you think down below. I would love to hear from you. I do apologize. My lipstick kind of went on messy today. I don't know. We're just having an off day. Well, if you would, please go check out Maskara Cakes channel. Again, her channel and her video will be linked down below. And if you're from her channel, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I would hope that you would please consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me. Well, thank you guys again. You'll have to let me know what you thought down below. I do hope that you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye!